And right here, ladies and gentlemen, if you look closely, you can see Alex in his natural habitat, working in the kitchen. Oh, we don't want to get too close. He might spray us. That is a defensive tactic thing a wild Alex has. When they get scared, they spray. And look at the precision of the spray. This is highly toxic venom. Then
So we got the old fabric off. Now I'm gonna respray it and stretch the purple nice and tight. And then I got all the other pillars and all the little trim pieces I got to rewrap. I'll do those later on. I'm gonna attempt to do this one first and then go from there. And probably tomorrow or the next day I'll start doing the starlights on this panel to get it done. It's getting there. Long process, but it's getting there.
What up, guys? I am back. Alex has been doing this entire vlog while revamping Tanya's Magnum. And right now, we are doing the Starlight headliner in the car. Alex got it wrapped up all nice and purple. If you want to know how we're doing this, check out this video right here, because I'm not going to explain it in this video. We did his Dodge Rebel, and we explained everything thoroughly. So for now, I'm just going to put this in the time lapse, and we'll check back in a little bit.
So I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl.
We're making progress, but we still have a lot of work ahead of us. What we decided to do, since we had 450 lights, we did 25 on each side on the front, 25 on this black piece on each side, and then the back, we split it up 175 on each side. Alex is over there right now, once again, hot gluing everything on there. But we still have a lot of work to do. We have this giant's rat's nest to deal with, and Alex still has to wrap those panels to match the purple headliner. But we are making very good progress. Once we finish up with the headliner and flip it over and trim the lights again, I'll put the video back on. But all this boring stuff, you guys don't want to see this, so catch you in a few seconds.
So it's another day in the vlog. I'm gonna attempt to put the liner in. We did the starlights on it. A little recall. I got the tanks and compressors. I got these panels all painted, amps are hooked up, wiring's all set. So once I put the liner in, I can start putting the pillars. I still got to take the doors off, take the seats out, and go from there. But it looks 10 times better black than tan. All the panels are on. I just gotta wire up the starlights and see how it looks. Got the starlights working. Looks good. I'm gonna continue to make the beauty board to enclose this box and see, tighten up little by little, because again the trunk's almost all done, and then I'll try to get a good fit here. Off by a little over there. Not bad, not bad. Just gotta trim out this more. Gotta angle this more up here just to get it fit better. I think I got it backwards. Not bad, not bad. I have to trim this up a little more on both sides, so when the panel lays in there, where's the small trim? Yeah, that's working for me. So I got it cut out so far. This trim was before where the amp was at, so I'm gonna go to Lowe's probably tomorrow or something, buy the new trim and then rewrap it so I can get the perfect fit. And I'm thinking I'm gonna add the trim around here. I think that's the way to go, but I like it so far. That is the plan right there. We'll put Magnum RT. Got the Mrs. Hemi, everything flawed. Got to touch up on some panels because they got scratched up, but we'll check y'all tomorrow and we'll go from there. Peace out. So what's up, guys? Another day in vlog. So I've been postponing doing these trim for the Magnum, for the sub box. Got out of work a little early, enough to I could attempt to wrap those and maybe clean up the garage because it's a little messy. So I'm gonna move my little work table. There we go. So got the table out. Place is a mess, but I need to get these trims wrapped. So that is the plan today. Shouldn't take me too long, so I'll just put y'all down right here. Go. So, all the trim is ready. This is all trash. I'll keep this one. This is the old one from the amp rack. I might use it for something else, not sure. So what's up, guys? Another day in the vlog. I haven't picked up the camera in about a week. Last time the Magnum was at the shop. Needed to get a special sticker, and it took him a few days because he had to figure out some stuff to pass it. Really dusty, and the last time I had the camera, I dropped off my 300 to get the bumper painted and the paint corrected. Anything was wrong with it, but then Ceci just called me saying the car's ready for pickup, so I'm gonna go drive the Magnum down and see what he's gonna quote me to get the Magnum fixed. Building up rust over time. Someone dinged the door and the rust is coming out, so both quarters needs to get repainted, and the rear bumper, and I think this fender right here. I'm dropping off the Magnum. It's gonna get repainted, repaired, both quarters, bumpers, fenders, and then shined up. So what's up, guys? So I forgot to end the video the other day. I got the trims done, all wrapped up, and then I dropped off the Magnum to get painted. Hopefully get the Magnum sometime this week. And once I get that, I'll be putting the wheels on, finish the car up. The only thing will be left is pretty much the seats. Like, comment, subscribe.